Hi friends, and welcome to the tutorial on finishing Touch Flawless Pedi. I'm so happy that you're here and that you're finding and trying all the new flawless tools. They were designed to help you take care of you, all in the comfort and safety of your own home. So, let's talk feet. We all experience a ton of wear and tear on our feet. We walk, run, dance, skip, shuffle, climb, and more. And for most of us, the skin thickens, hardens, and sometimes peels at the balls of our foot, our heels, tops of our toes, or other weird places, leaving unsightly calluses and dry, cracked skin. And let's face it, at-home callus removers are a little scary. And expensive salon visits aren't always an option. That's where Flawless Pedi comes in. Our revolutionary pedi design is so simple and so elegant, it's like waving a magic wand. So, without further delay, let's see how easy it is to get a professional-grade pedi in your own home, with instant and painless results. Let's take a look at what's included in our Flawless Pedi kit. First, the Flawless Pedi unit comes with the coarse head already installed on the ergonomic Flawless wand. This is designed to give you more control and a more natural back and forth motion when removing calluses and dry, cracked skin. In addition to the coarse head, you get a fine head as well. We'll go over how to replace and change the heads in just a little bit, so hold on tight. Next, we have the USB charging cable. Lastly, we have the protective cover, which keeps your unit safe and sound when storing. First things first, you need to charge your Flawless Pedi. Prior to its first use, fully charge the unit. This will take approximately 3 hours. Make sure the unit is turned off. Find the USB end of your charging cable and insert it into any USB-compliant power adapter. Your phone charger wall adapter will work just fine. Insert the other end of the charging cable into the charging port of your unit, found on the bottom of the unit handle. Next, plug in the power adapter. When charging, the LED light on the unit will turn red. Once the unit is completely charged, the red light will turn off. Now, let's learn how to replace the heads of our Flawless Pedi unit. We have two different heads, the coarse roller and the fine roller. Use the coarse roller head to remove tough calluses and dead skin. Use the fine roller head for maintenance to keep your feet feeling smooth. Now be sure the unit is turned off before removing or replacing the roller head. To release the roller head, push down on the button located at the top of the unit head. While holding down the button, pull the top of the roller head, releasing it from the unit. Each roller head has two ends, an X gray square post and a movable white round post that presses inward. The head of this unit will only fit one way and should pop right into place very easily. So be sure not to force them into place if the replacement heads are not easily engaging. Simply flip the roller head and try again. To attach your desired roller head, place the X gray square post into the bottom hole of the unit head, like this. Push down on the movable white round post at the top of the roller head, then slide the roller head into position until it clicks into place. Now be sure the roller head is firmly in place before turning on the unit. And voila! You're ready to go. How easy was that? Prior to first use, test the unit on a small area. If sensitive or allergic reactions occur, discontinue use immediately. Once you've tested Flawless Pedi on a small patch of skin and no irritation occurs, it's time to get started. The Finishing Touch Flawless Pedi comes with two speeds, low speed and high speed. Always start on low speed. Once you feel comfortable with the unit, you can advance to the high speed. The speed is determined by each individual's needs and skin type. So it's really about what works best for you. Here's a little pro tip. Use your Flawless Pedi over a garbage bag or towel. There will be dead, dry skin and callus residue removed from your foot, but it's typically a very fine powder and easy to manage, so don't worry. It's normal and to be expected. The unit comes with a coarse roller attached that will remove tougher calluses that may have been around for a long time. Check to make sure that the roller head is firmly attached before use. Slide the switch up one time into the low position to turn it on. The LED light will turn white and the unit will begin on the low speed. Here are some rules to remember. Always use on clean, dry feet. Do not use on wet feet. If at any time you feel discomfort, discontinue use immediately. Start by holding the roller head gently against your skin. Do not press the roller head hard against your skin, as it will affect the speed and the results. Use light, gentle pressure and allow the roller head to do the work. Move the unit in a slow back and forth motion in 2 to 3 second increments. Stop and check to see if you've achieved the desired results. If not, go over the area again or increase the speed to the high position. It's like a magic wand. Now you see it, now you don't. Amazing, right? See See, I told you, Flawless Pedi is quick, easy, and completely painless, and has become a must-have in my beauty bunker. Immediately after each use, it's important to clean your Flawless Pedi unit, but no worries, it's super quick and easy. The roller heads must be removed before cleaning. Do not rinse the unit underwater. Never clean the unit or handle using liquids such as alcohol, acetone, or nail polish remover. Water works just fine and it's all you need. To turn off the unit, slide the switch down to off. Once complete, take a damp cloth and wipe the area to remove any dead skin or residue from your foot. Be sure to dry promptly. Now, it's time to clean the unit and wait until you see how quick this is. Do not submerge the roller head or the unit in water. For cleaning purposes, only the roller heads are water resistant. When rinsing the roller heads in water, be sure the movable white round post is facing down and away from the running water. Let the roller heads air dry completely and store in a dry safe place. Clean the handle with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Wipe the unit and handle with a dry cloth. Be sure to store the unit with the protective cover on, so it's ready to go next time you want to use it. See, callus removers don't have to be scary. With the help of Flawless Pedi, you will have beautiful, soft feet in the blink of an eye. So kiss those embarrassing calluses goodbye, and be you. Be flawless.